Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here in this nondescript box. You can kind of tell from there, it is going to be a dart set. So I'll show you guys what we get in here. Ta-da, this is what it looks like here. We've got instructions on how to play darts if you don't know how. And then we have darts in, it looks like 4 different colors maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think these are different. I'm colorblind, so it's a little hard for me to tell. But let's just see. I'll take out this one here. So if we take out one of these here, ooh, it's got some good weight to it. It's got a nice sharp tip. Actually, let me take out this one here too, and this one here. I have to take out a few in order to get to the pieces and parts. So let's see, how do we do that here? Okay, so here is the end of it here. I kind of had to unfold it a little bit, and then it fits into there. Wow, I'm just staring right into the light to try to do this. Did I do it right? Yeah, okay. So now I have a full dart. So that's cool. And what it comes with as well is a little sharpening stone. So, you know, as you play, these little tips get less and less sharp. So then you can do this and just go around and around to sharpen it up. So it's nice to have a little sharpening stone as well. And it looks like we have some extra pieces and parts as well in there. Not sure what these pieces are for. I think maybe this is if you wanted to switch it out for the nubby tip that goes into a different type of board. We play sharp tips. So this is it here. And so now you've got your whole one here. Looks like we got to unscrew the end of it if we needed to get this off for any reason. So there we go. So we have the darts here. So hopefully up in one of these corners, maybe I'm showing you me playing darts. That's the idea of this here. But I wanted to show you up close of what these look like so you can see it here before I just go and just play. So these are nice, heavy, good darts. And you can store them back in the box, I guess. You can take these back out, put them back in. All the darts, I took out a couple of these other ones here just to get to the stuff underneath. But it comes with some extra pieces and parts as well. So you have a good little set for 4 people, 3 darts a piece. And nice little thing there. And then we have the instructions. So if you don't know how to play darts, well, I mean, usually the scores are just kind of listed on there anyways, but it kind of gives you an idea, shows you how to throw them. So nice little instructions as well, probably telling you how high to do it. I think it's like 5 feet or something like that. That's what you get to do the height. 5 feet 8 inches is what the dartboard should be. So it kind of gives you all that information. Okay, I'm not claiming to be any kind of dart expert, but let's go ahead and see if I can get it to stick. If I go right there. Boy, I had eye surgery, and so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to play darts. I got it to stick. Okay, there's one. Let's try another one here. Oh my God, it hit the other one. Let's show you where I got. And here I am with the darts. We got this dart, and then I want to show you for comparison the chunky ones that it came. I can't even get the tips off of this thing. Okay, these ones here it came with. These ones here are just so bad. They're rough on this thing here. They don't even feel good. I don't even know. Okay, but I mean, I don't even know. But let's go. I'll throw one of these and one of these, and we'll see what we can do here. No, totally missed. Way better. Try it again here. They're gonna be better with these. Sad. Oh, something went flying from behind it. Well, there we go. But definitely like those. These are great ones for sure. These fly smoother, sound better. You got a nice clip to them and everything like that, and they're really nice. So these are the way to go for sure. Thumbs up, absolutely awesome.